Well, I must say these guys really get at it early. It's like 6:40 in the morning. They brought, well, equipment. I don't know what they're digging, but I think what they're doing today is smoothing out all the sand. They're gonna lay down the foam over there. It's 2 feet of foam that goes all the way around the building. Yeah, these guys don't mess around, that's for sure. Yesterday they came and cut the relief lines in the slab, and today obviously they're taking down the doing all sorts of stuff, taking down the forms, and then just kind of funny. My neighbors are gonna love this, but I get it. Gotta get her done. These guys are awesome. Can't wait to see what all we got going on today. So they are digging and taking forms down. They're going to be laying the foam around the slab for when my guy comes from Pancratz trucking and excavating. He's going to be doing my gravel all through here. So these guys are just finishing up what they're doing. One of the fellers up there on the trailer over there was giving this guy here grief. He's the one that come and cut the relief lines yesterday. He was giving him grief about his lines being crooked, even though he's been doing it for 38 years. Kind of funny. We couldn't get that big feller over there to start, and I don't have starting fluid. We'll see if we can work around it. If not, just gonna have to wait for it to warm up a little bit today, and she should fire up. Otherwise, probably use carbon choke cleaner, maybe some brake clean. We can get it fired if we absolutely have to move it. Pretty cool process. So again, cast concrete. These guys are something else. And if you ever need concrete for anything, these are the guys to go to. They're fun to work with, they're funny, and they really bust their butts. So, I'll get back at you hopefully when it's a little lighter. We'll see you in a little bit. As you can see, it's a nice crispy morning here in Chile. Everything's all frosted over. It's great. Sucks for early October like this, but it is what it is. And then in 2 days it's supposed to be 70 again, so. Chester's a goofball. I like him. But this concrete is thick. So it's like 10 inches on the outside, about 6 on the center for the drain. I didn't realize that the seal coat that they put on was in the price, which was in the estimate. I did not know that, which is cool. I'm glad it got sealed because that saved me quite a bit of time and money. Because I was figuring on doing that myself. These guys do a good job. I really like this company. So, this guy's having fun playing. Now, like I said before, I'm hoping Justin at Pancratz comes here yet this week and finishes off the driveway all through here. Get her all done. We shall see. I'm gonna let these guys get at it. I gotta pay this man here real quick. Biggest check I've ever wrote. Well, until the building comes, that'll be the biggest I've ever wrote. So we shall see. Alrighty guys, I'll be back. Oh, I am having way too much fun talking with these guys, and it's fun. They ended up breaking the, well, he wasn't paying attention, or didn't know. Ended up breaking the drain for the drain. Now it's fixed, and then he covered it up. Now it's dug out. Now we're marking it so the next guy doesn't do the same thing again. This is too much fun. Maybe it'll rain soon and we can, well, hopefully it rains and not snows. Make sure this drain's draining the way it's supposed to drain out the back. I might end up putting another connector on and lengthening it out from there to the rocks. Now I'm debating on whether I should let this be lawn or rock and just tie in rock with the rest of the rock. So we'll see. Well, cast concrete is all done here. Cleaning up a little bit of the ruts and stuff for my back door neighbors, which have been very nice through this process. So, all done, loading up. Hopefully I see these guys again in the future. They know to stop by anytime they want and check out the cars and progress of the shop. So, and we'll probably need concrete work in the future, so they will be the guys we go to, that's for sure. Good bunch of guys. Concrete looks good. Everything they did looks good. Just gotta wait for paint crats to come do the finish work. Be cool if it's this week yet, or next week, early next week. But, alrighty guys, glad you got to watch along with us and follow along. It's coming along, just slow, but, and it's freaking cold out. My hands are frozen. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see when that'll be. I don't know. Hopefully soon. So you guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.